Day 4, 30 days of freestyle. I'm out here. I still didn't fix my fail-safe or my brownout, whatever's going on, but it's okay. I'm not going to lose it here. It's all right if it gets a bit muddy. And of course, the marmot can take it. But I'm with Granger. We've been doing some testing on our build, which has absolutely been ripping. Asked him what's some things we can work on. So for freestyle?
Yeah, for freestyle, definitely just flowing every trick into something new because it makes the footage look a lot better and cleaner.
So one trick, linking into the next
linking
trick.
into something else,
All
not
right.
just stopping and starting.
All right, we're going to see how that goes. You can watch in the goggles too and let me know.
I will.
All right, we ready? So we're linking one trick into the next.
Linking one trick into the next.
All right, and I've been working on a little bit of throttle control. I still want to work on that more, but also not going flat out, if that makes sense.
Not
freestyle,
jolting.
yeah, okay.
Nice and smooth.
Well, we're going to be working on one trick into the next.
Yeah.
I guess I kind of need to start doing a trick, don't I?
You kind of do, actually. And then into something else, and then sort of into something else.
Do you have a plan when you're doing it?
I don't seem to like punch out full throttle after I've done another trick, unless like that's what I really want. I try to like keep it normal level, so you're not going too high, you're not going too low. You're just kind of cruising around mid-range.
That was nice.
That was nice. And then you link it into something else. Nice. That was good. See, and keep the trick going. There you go. And then come back. Turn around, come back. There you go. That's what I was talking about. Nice. There you go. Always linking something into something. Yeah, little rewind there.
That was almost crashed.
Shh, they won't know. Nah, it's looking good. I like how you're linking everything. Now you're listening. You're actually doing it. And another thing I always do is I try my hardest not to repeat the same trick over and over again.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Because people get sick of seeing
Well,
the same
look,
thing.
that can be another lesson.
True.
All right. Today we're just working on linking one trick into the next trick. Getting a few little brownouts. I've really got to fix my receiver.
Yep. Nice. Link it. And then into that one. Nice. And then flow the corner. Awesome.
No, that was pretty bad.
That was.
All right, let's try that again. So we're gonna.
Salute.
Okay, what I want to do, I'm gonna go through this one. Okay, I got this. We're gonna link these two.
That would have been nice.
I'm getting confused. Hang on, just take it easy, Stuart.
Take it easy, Stuart. Just keep it flowing. Keep it always linking into something new. Nice. That's not nice.
Ah, okay, turtle mode.
Turtle mode. Yes.
I love turtle mode. For freestyle, it's awesome. And for racing, I guess.
For everything, it's great.
There
Whoever invented it, thank you.
So I'm just doing backflip after backflip.
Yeah.
I've noticed that a lot. I need to change that.
And try to keep the sticks like very, try to keep not rolling and like pitching. Try to make it a really sharp move. If that's what you, yeah. Perfect. Nice and nice. Little links. It's exactly it. Yep, and then you go forward. So it's sort of like when you're doing a trick, you kind of let it flow into naturally where the quad is going.
Okay.
So that's normally forward. So
I got to get away from that race course because I'm naturally leaning there. I got to stop doing backflips.
yeah, so you just let the quad sort of go where it wants to go. Yes, nice, just like that. Nice. That was good. Looking good. That's looking really good.
I better bring it in, the battery's low.
Yeah. But yeah, you definitely did good. You linked a lot of them together. It's looking better already, Stu. Looking like a Johnny FTV already. Nice little twist and a land. Perfect.
That was a good landing.
That was a flowy landing.
Look, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. 30 days of freestyle, day 4. Big shout out to Granger for giving us some commentary there, some things to work on. You had a lot to say, so I'm gonna have to watch this back and look at those future videos. There are different things I want to work on today, trying to link one trick into another. So nice, thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe for more FPV related 30-day challenge, and as always,
happy flying.